Hi, I'm Pattu from freefincal. The online course on goal-based portfolio management opens today, one day earlier. I earlier said it will open on the 9th, but it's now open today, and you can purchase the course and get access to the Facebook group at an early bird discount of 60%. So, how to go about with the purchase and what to do? So, first, I would suggest that you go through this FAQ post. I had published this a couple of days ago. I will link it below. Go through this FAQ post, frequently asked questions, understand what the course is actually about. Don't come inside with the wrong expectations and ask what is the best mutual fund, how should I manage my money. I will not answer such questions. It will be deleted. I don't have patience for all this. Please understand what the course is about using this FAQ post. I also have a video of this. You can watch the video as well. Once you have understood what the course actually is, use the InstaMojo link I have put in the description box, also in the first comment. The InstaMojo link is this one, and you can see that there is a early bird discount of 60% added in. The price, that full price is 2,570. The discounted price is 1,030 rupees. This link will work from now when you actually see it until 11:45 p.m. on Sunday night. At 11:45 p.m. I will remove the discount, and so even if you use the early bird link, you will still get to pay the full price, and after that the price will not decrease. So this is the short window for you to operate. Please make use of that. When you buy the course, you will enter your name, email, and phone number. You will get a confirmation via email, and actually when you buy the course, you will when you complete the purchase, you will be directed straight to the Facebook group, and you have to provide any of the three informations. So the first information is the email you used for purchase, or the mobile number you use for purchase, or the payment ID that you will receive as an email from InstaMojo. This is one example of a payment ID. It will be something like MOJO some 108 blah 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 blah, that number, full number. So when you finish the purchase, you will be directed to this Facebook group. The URL is facebook.com/group/freefincal. You will be directed to this. You will see this quote: the measure of intelligence is the ability to change. And when you see this, click join group, and when you click the join group, you have to read the group rules, and you will have to read this: admission is not free. What is the email or phone number used for purchasing the course? Or you can provide the payment ID of the transaction that you get as an email. You will get the email only a few minutes later, so you can provide straight away the payment, the email or the phone number. Just provide one information, that's enough. It has to be unique information. If somebody else uses your own your email or phone number later on to join, I will not allow that. So don't do that. It has to be a valid email. I will have to check the purchase and then only approve it. So once you add this, click on agree to group rules, and then you submit it. Please recognize, it is not mandatory for you to Facebook does not Facebook does not have the feature where you have to answer to join the group. Even if you dismiss this box, right? If you just dismiss this box, it will say exit without answering. It will say exit, and then your membership will show as pending. If your answer box is empty, I will reject straight away reject your application. You have to enter the email or the phone number or the payment ID in the answer box, and that has to be a valid information. Unless I verify it as valid, and unless I see that answer box with this valid information, I cannot and will not approve your membership. I will straight away reject it. So please be very clear about it. And once you cannot go through this, it's still pending, but you will be able to see the lectures. You will be taken, once your thing is approved, you will be taken to the lectures, and you can watch the lectures. There are 10 lectures. Please take your time to watch it. Initially, in the early bird period, I expect some kind of traffic in terms of purchase to be there. The number of purchases maybe hopefully will be high. I don't know, but give me some time to approve your name in the group, because I can't be doing this all the time. Please give one day, that is, let's say you have purchased today right now, please give me at least 24 hours to approve your membership. I will try and do it much before that, but please give me some time, because I have other things to do as well. I can't just be doing this alone. So please wait until one day, then after that you email to me if there is any issue. Please don't email, I have purchased, please give me a membership. I just can't be answering such emails. I will have to, please give me some time, give me one day time. After that you can, if there are any issues, you can let me know. Before that, do not send any issues or complaints and so on. So that's it. I'm all set to invite you in. I look forward to your presence and discussion, and we have some wonderful experts already in the group. Maybe they will also be of some assistance to you. Thank you, and bye bye.